Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely. In this video, we will show one or more of these icons to alert you when to use caution. Before you replace the lid latch assembly in your washer, unplug the power cord. Now use a number 2 square bit screwdriver to remove the mounting screws, securing the bottom of the front panel. With the screws removed, slide the panel down and pull it out to detach. Lift up the lid and use a flathead screwdriver to help detach the latch assembly from the main top. Note the orientation of the wires, then disconnect them. Cut the zip tie securing the wires to fully release the old assembly. You're now ready to install the new lid latch assembly. Connect the wires to the appropriate terminals on the new assembly. Secure the wires with a zip tie. Snap the new assembly into place in the main top. Replace the front panel by inserting the panel tabs into the slots in the side panels. Push the panel up into position and replace the mounting screws. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your washer should be ready for use.